Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about MVC architecture. So MVC stands for model, view, and controller. So when we're talking about model, we're talking about database or data in database. When we talk about view, we talk about GUI or HTML if it is website. When we talk about controller, we talk about business logic or logic, okay? Logic. Okay, let me draw you a picture. So MVC, for example, this is our application, right? This is application. Okay. We have model. We have controller. We have view. And we have route. So this is the important thing in MVC architecture. So view, controller, route, and model. So this is our MVC application, right? Or it can be Laravel or Node.js or Python. Okay. So the application actually running in server. Okay. This is server. So this can be server. And this in server we have database, right? This is database, DB. Database. Database can be any database like MySQL, MS, Microsoft, or like MariaDB. Okay. So this is user. So he used a computer or mobile phone or anything to access our website. Okay, for example, he entered like World Wide Web .devtermin.com. .devtermin.com. This means he sent a request to our web server, okay, by enter this URL. Okay, he entered on web browser. He sent a request. So this request will reach to our web server and then it will go to route. Okay. Route will send this request to a specific controller. You can have many routes in your application. Okay. So when a request is sent to route, then a request will forward to a specific controller. Okay, a controller will process a request. If a controller needs data from database, it will ask model. Okay, it will ask model. It will send a request to model. Hey model, I need data from database. Then model will reach out to database. Okay, model reach to database. Here. Get data from database. Okay, and then return the data to itself. And then model will map the data to object so it can easy for controller to process the data. Okay, then data will return to controller. Controller will do some logics with the data and send the clean data, okay, to view. Controller will say, hey view, I need you to put this data in HTML. Okay, sorry, I write this wrong. View. Okay, data. Okay, and then view will put data in HTML. Okay, HTML and send this back to a user. So we call this a response. So that's how user can see our website. So the user will see the website with the graphic user interface in the form of HTML. Alright, this is all about MVC architecture. If you want to know more about any architecture, please feel free to comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.